What's up, yo? Welcome back to Hook Me Up. We'll be back at it like a bad habit, and because I want that big fish, I'm gonna go and grab it. Now I know I haven't posted a video in a while. That's because the weather hasn't been great, the water hasn't been great, and work schedule, you know? Some people's gotta put food on the table. But the good Lord above had a 2-day window for me on my day off. So better believe it, I went and took advantage of it. So on the first day, I headed out to Devonshire Bay, about 1.5 miles or so out in 260 feet of water. Had a couple guys in the fishing boats come by, say hello, and I was trolling for Wahoo, Tuna. Then I came back in a little bit, dropped the anchor, looking for that elusive rockfish. Second day, just ran out with a couple of my mates, did straight bottom fishing, and had an amazing time. Caught a bunch of different species of fish. So, if you want to see what I caught, stand by and let's get hooked.
Yo, I'm going fishing. Yeah, I'm taking the kayak. I'll be back at some point. Don't wait up. Actually, wait up, cause I'm gonna need you to cook the fish. Don't worry, yo, I'm gonna hook you up. A Bermuda thing, this and a gun fishing in Bermuda. Hook me up. Fish pond and let me ready, figure pull it up. Liquor season and cook it up. You see the kayak tough, I mean a fish from rock. Yeah, boy, can you hook me up? Hook me up, hook me up. Yeah, boy, can you hook me up? Hook me up, hook me up.
All right, you guys have arrived at Devonshire Bay. Go check out what it's gonna be like for going through. It doesn't look all too bad, but always do a nice little safety after the reef. It looks amazing. So it looks like we guys are gonna go for the infamous tuna and wahoo rockfish. Making sure my steps are good. Oh yeah. Might be a little bit bumpy going out, but outside of that, nah. I think we are good. The VND is supposed to change, so going from the east of the island and traveling to the west. So more than likely I'm gonna leave here, go out to the left, and I might go straight out. I have a point that's out in that direction there, and just troll all the way down, troll against the wind, so when the wind comes up I can just pop on back. So that's my plan of attack today. So hopefully I will lead to that infamous wahoo or tuna that I've been looking for, and we'll be all good to go. So then unpack the van now, and once I'm out in the boat, catch on with you guys. We have made it. Orange. Just in the middle, setting everything up, making sure the gear is correct before I go and head out. So I'm gonna go head out, make the left. I'm gonna go left and go against the wind and see what I can find. So once I get across a little choppy patch that's right there, I will tune everyone back in and throw some lures out and bang, see what we guys catch. Okay, we have made it across the reef. Swells ain't too bad. They say the wind's supposed to pick up max 10 knots. So I'm gonna head off in that direction. I haven't thrown any lures out yet, but I'm gonna start, head out, you know, to 100 feet. Probably range between 80 and 120 feet and just troll in that area, see what I can pick up. But until then, I'll be trolling. If I get any hits or anything like that, yep, I'll let you guys know. Unfortunately, you know, still working from the phone right now, but yeah, you know, we'll see. So stand by until we guys walk up. Alright, y'all, I'm in about 110 feet of water. Got 2 lures out, just trolling, marking a little bit of stuff, nothing big, but we'll see what happens, you know, in a bit. You guys have made it. You've made it. So let's go see what we could do. The current time now is 9:05, so took us about roughly half an hour to get out to where we guys are now. So my Bermudians, you know, hey, little kayak, you can see the island behind me. Hey, seeing what we could catch. So still waiting, still pushing, still grinding, trying to get that big fish, you know what I'm saying? Still trying, oh, get that thing just, I don't know if I'm hearing stuff or whatnot, but yeah, you know, just working it, seeing how everything is gonna go. Just stand by, see how she goes. Boom. So nothing yet. So I changed my setup. Got a 3-rod setup right now. Got one there. This bad boy here. Hooked up to my Dawn rigger. Thank you to my mate Sean for helping me out. But yeah, got the Dawn rigger set up. It's probably about 75 feet down. And I have my other top rod. This is probably about 20 feet down. Just marking a few things. And oh boy. Okay, so yeah, this is the update for now. Seeing what's gonna happen, and hopefully, you know, line goes off. Still waiting for my first wahoo or tuna, rockfish. That's what we got out here today. Came out nice and early, so I'm gonna be trolling until about 12 o'clock. I have a little spot on the map that I want to go check out. It's my first time going in this direction, so I'm gonna go see what this little spot is all about. So it drops off and then it pops back up, so hopefully it'll be something that would be in that area. There's roughly, you know, a little peak. You know, like, so the edge would drop down and then it just pops back up. So I'm gonna go check that out, troll over it, see if I have any marks or anything, and see what happens. So stand by, still out here, doing what I'm doing, trying to get hooked up. You know, that's the theme, hook me up. Well, let's go. Well, yo, you can see how far I'm out with the commercial fishermen. They're probably wondering, what in the world? Yep, so I'm out here with these guys. It's been a slow morning. It's now 12:40. Yeah, I'm gonna go do some bottom fishing now, see what's gonna happen. Nothing at trolling, so I'm gonna troll to this last spot and anchor off and see what I can catch. There's some hinds, coneys, yellowtail. I'm gonna put out a little rockfish line to see if I can catch a rockfish, but nothing as of yet. So 3 hours in, been hit my spots that I wanted to hit. Up. Looks like somebody's going off. Let's see. All right. Well, I don't know. But yeah. Let's see what happens. Just marked some good fish. So let's go see if the rod goes off. Got 3 holes, so all around 50 feet. Mark the spot, so hopefully something will happen when 75 feet of water. So let's go see. Give it some time and spin around and go back, to be honest. Probably anchor off on that spot. See what I could catch. Well, still waiting. Beautiful though. Beautiful. Loving it. Peace. Anchored off, I dropped my line down. That's what I've picked up. Nice lionfish, so that one's gonna go home. And I'm going to have myself some nice lionfish ceviche. So yeah, but I do have a good surprise for you guys, all right? So I'm gonna drop a couple more, see what I can catch on the bottom, and then go from there. But yep, not skunked today, got a lionfish. Actually, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna fish on. So today, I'm pulling out the Duck Demon. Oh yeah, pull out the Duck Demon. I'm getting first catch some stuff for him and everyone else, and then I'm gonna pop the Duck Demon out. Little rod, and it's got 15-pound test on it. See what I could pull up on the bottom. So just stand by, wait out for that one, and we'll have some fun. Got the Duck Demon on a Cast King Vigilant Eagle 1000, 15-pound braid. Going to 60-pound high-low rig. So we're gonna send it down. First drop. Let's go see what we guys can catch. Little rod, big fish. Little rod, big fish. Let's see what we could do. What do you think you guys could catch? I'm telling you, oh boy. This is gonna be the fight. It's got about 5 pounds, no, not even 5 pounds, 4 pounds of drag on it. That's what I've got it at. So this is gonna take some skill. We are in 100 feet of water right now. So shouldn't take all too long to get to the bottom. Oh, and there we go. On the bottom, so let's see. Just bait it out. Heart's beating like crazy. Yep. Do we have to go down anymore? Let's see. Nope. So let's bait. See what we can get. Oh, got some nibbles. Here we go. Hooked up. Hooked up. Cheers. Hooked up. Oh, I think I lost it. Nope. Nothing. All right. Let's go fix the bait though. Oh man, woo! Adrenaline pumping right now. So I got some fresh Bermuda squid. Caught it a couple weeks ago. This is the last bit of it. Oh, there we go. All right. So let's go send her back down. Back down again. Little rod, big fish. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hope you guys are excited. This is what I've been wanting to do. Had it set up for a while, so it's like, hey, let me go and change it up a little bit. Everyone normally takes big rods out. I'm gonna see what the duck demon can do. So, at the bottom again. I got the duck demon run. I've got some nibbles. Seamont. Oh, there we go. There's something on it. Nope. Got nibbles. One thing, it's really hard to feel the nibbles. You can see the rod, how it's moving. You can't really set the hooks. Well, I do have circle hooks, but just gotta wait for the fish to swallow it. Then the fight is on. No, no, all right. Go back down to the bottom. Take it. Here we go. All right. Now what? Duck demon action. Action. Look at that white cheese. Action. What we got? What we got? What we got? Pulling it up from 100 feet. What we got? Action on the duck demon. Another barber. Oh yeah. All right. Barber on the duck demon, look at that. 100 feet. Oh, yes. Now we know Chisholm's duck demon is in action. Hook me up. Mercy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now we got 3 barbers. I'm gonna keep going until another half an hour or so, and then I'm gonna head in, but I'm gonna keep the camera rolling because the action is going to be epic with this beautiful duck demon. All right, duck demon, look at that, look. Jesus. Little fiberglass rod. Duck demon pulls up a barber from 100 feet. Oh, my God. All right. Let's get this party started. Well, y'all, hey, my phone died, so it's on charge now. I'm charging. I end up going into rocks with the duck demon. There was something big that was down there, even on my heavier setup. Yeah, it was something that was nicer. So it is what it is, you know. So just heading back in now. That's the catch there. Doing something on the as soon as I get in. But yeah, hey, wonderful day. straight trials, testing. Even got my anchor. I normally lose anchors, but this time it worked perfectly, so I'm happy about that. Happy about today and all the tests that I did do. Lost some gear, but nothing, you know, all too expensive, I must say. Even the Bermuda, we guys import everything. But yeah, it was a successful day and whatnot. So once I get in and get settled and whatnot, show you guys my catch, and then it'll be off to the next adventure. Next time, hopefully, look, line's on. We got her. Oh, hooked up. Sorry about that, yo. But that's what Coney. I'm gonna throw him back. But that's what I had caught. Made the line run. So I'm gonna throw him back and then set him out again. Alright. Alright, y'all. Made it back in. Nice and safe. There's the catch. But beautiful. Beautiful. Back in. Gonna go ahead and fillet everything up and get ready for tomorrow. So yeah. Guys are back at it. Day 2. Got Kirby and Squirrel with me. So you guys are heading out. Do some bottom fishing. I'm getting trolled till you guys get out and whatnot. But yeah, day number 2. See what happens. Once you guys get across the breakers, I'll let you guys know what we guys are doing. Check out some rods, got some lines, lures. Got a bottom, you know, got my outrigger set up again, so see how well that deal goes. Alright, there you guys see what it's like going through Devonshire Bay. Our little exit. So we stick to the right hand side. That's as little swell as possible, as you can see. Over to the left, got some massive breakers. So if you guys stay to the right, you should be good. Bang. Since you guys get across this part here, it should be good. So stay to the right. Damn guys, I got 2 people power. 2-person horsepower. I'm on my 1. There you are. The tricky part. Yeah, as soon as you guys got across the breakers, it should be all good. Also got the backlash of the waves coming off the rocks. All right. Past it. All right. Now it's just the chop. So now we have another area that we guys need to go across. It's a second set of breakers. So if you guys can see, just over to the right, there's another shore that runs across, and you guys have to go through it. So I didn't mark it the last time on my GPS, but I did mark it on the phone. So Just gonna try to find it. As you can see, I have some tracks that are lined up. Not too sure if you can see it, but it's a nice little area. And then I'll go, but I'll bring you guys on once I get these spots lined up. So just hold on. Once I get across, I'll start again. All right, so I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but there's just a little gap in the breakers. So I haven't marked it, but as soon as I go through it, I'll mark it, and then I know, okay, this is the spot that we can go through. Actually, I free dove this spot, and I know that our transmission lines go through here. So if you guys remember the Matrix, this was it. So I'm just gonna mark that area. So 0, 3, 4, 1, bang. So if you look down, bang. So yeah, this is after this it drops down to about 50 feet. Now we guys are just gonna head out. So again, get across this sea beat, and then yeah, throw the lures out and go. So I'll check you guys once I get there. So if I hook up, then you guys will know. Okay, we have anchored off. Been here for a little bit. Caught myself a few hinds. Got a coney that's down there. Just showing you guys what we guys are gonna be doing. So right now I got cut up some squid and a pilchard. I'm just gonna drop this down. It's nothing really too exciting. We're in 60 feet of water, so just let you see. I'll let you guys see what I do, just to do some bottom fishing. You know, be able to. As one person once told me, just gotta feed the catch, you know. So got my squid. I have a high-low rig, so what it is one bait's up high, one bait's down low, in and out, right here. Go through the eye. I'm using circle hooks. I don't know what size. Well, that doesn't want to work. And I'll go here. Here. Oh, I've brined my pilchards, so they're a bit more stiff than normal. All right, so this is the high-low rig here. But all I do is drop it down. So, bang, and you guys see, I've got some lines that are right here. Bird's nest. Keep pulling. And then side. Yep, there we go. Alright, so there we go. Let's just let it go, Peter. Alright. So I've got some lines on my reel. That's just different drag settings. So I've got 5, 10, and then 20 pounds of drag. So now it's down to the bottom. Just gonna put it there. Wait for my bumps and my nibbles. See what I could catch. All it is just a baiting game. Just sit off and wait. Today is a little bit rougher than yesterday. So yeah, just got my mates over there in a different spot. You guys are gonna be heading in a little bit, just due to the weather and whatnot. So yeah. And if I don't catch anything, well, I don't. Oh, got a couple nibbles. Drop it down a little bit more since they want a little bit more. If you guys want to know any of my secrets or anything like that, just pop it down in the comments. I'll sure let you guys know. I don't keep any secrets, so you know, I actually want more people to come out and join me. So if you're interested, if you're on island and whatnot, just let me know, you know, hit me up in the comments, and I will, you know, help you out as best as I can. See, still nothing. I guess the area's all dried up. Could be a possibility. So, if this area's all dried up, what I'm gonna do, oh, got a couple nibbles there. Bang, there we go. Here we go. What we got? Probably a coney. It's, wow. Come on up, yep. And it's a coney. Look at that. All right. So I guess I could put this on as one of my catches there. All right. All I do, bang, put my rod in the rod holder. Okay, so as you guys can see here, got my nice stringer. Got a bunch of coneys, one hind, one coney there. So all I do, come here, bang, got enough to feed the cats now, so I'm gonna go head in and you know, troll heading in. So that's one, bang, got another one here. So I got enough. Try not to, you know, overfish. I'm not a commercial fisherman, so right now I'd say, what, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coneys and one hind, so that's 6. That's a bag of filet right there. I ain't gotta worry about it. So that being said, actually I got one more piece of bait. I'm gonna drop that down and see what happens, but yeah, that's gonna be my last drop, and then I'm gonna troll in. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the troll in. Well, I did one last drop, and look what I pulled up. A nice size hind. So 2 hinds, couple coneys. What can I say? Oh, it's a good one. Hook Me Up has done it again. So you guys getting head in. Yesterday was a good day. Today was a good day. So bang. But that's a nice boy right there. Well over the limit. So yeah. All right. Heading back in now. A little bit choppier. A lot choppier. Hi. Hey, look. There's another boat that's out here. I didn't even see that. But yeah. I actually want to shout out to all the boatsmen here in Bermuda. Honestly, I've had since I've been out here for these last 2 days, I've had 3 boats come out and check on me. So I just want to shout out to the Bermudian boatsmen, you know, coming in, checking up, making sure I'm okay. I gave them the thumbs up, you know. One guy was actually nice and lucky. He actually saw me pulling up one of my hinds. So yeah, I just want to give a nice little shout out to the Bermuda boatsmen. Definitely, you guys definitely take care of your own, you know. You all know how the seas are out here. So yeah, and I definitely want to give a shout out to those guys. So, but today was successful. Good barber, coney, hinds. So it's been good. Definitely been good. So if I hook up, then I'll let you guys know. But until then, you guys are heading in. Devonshire Bay is right ahead, and you guys wind up. So stand by, right out. Let's get hooked. Well, yo, what do you think about that? 2 days, miles offshore of some epic fishing. I was able to do some trolling, trolling with the big boys. You guys saw that I was with the commercial fishermen. That was good. But it was unfortunate that, you know, I wasn't able to get that wahoo or tuna. Next time I will. Then went and anchored off and caught multiple species. Hinds, coneys, barbers, bonita, even a lionfish. But the star of the show was the duck demon. The duck demon was able to handle the deep sea. Blew my mind. Did it blow yours? Actually, drop a comment down below, right? Let me know if I should sit there and take that out again. You know, the duck demon, runner. But outside of that, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all the other stuff that everyone says to do. And let's get hooked.
A Bermuda thing this and a gun fishing in Bermuda. Hook me up, fish pond, let me